Got another Sunday tech tip. So, alternator charging wire, the main wire, it corroded in two. It just corroded to pieces. I'm wondering what that one looks like down there. Probably the same. Probably gonna have problems out of it. I'm just gonna remake this wire later. But we're gonna put this on here. And down here at the shop, I don't have crimping tool with me, and I don't have no ox, so I'm going to fill this with anti-seize in there just to try to keep the oxygen from getting into it in between the fibers and everything. And if I don't have my crimping tool, we're going to sacrifice yet another nut. We're going to cut this one all the way in half. Cut it in half, turn it over, cut it, and we'll have two pieces. And then I'll try to set the camera up and show you what I'm going to do from there. And the nut is cut in two halves. And the nut is cut in half. One half, one half. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so I've got my anti-seize in there and on the wire. All the strands are in position with. Yep. And of course I push it apart. Let's start again. Yes, this would be easier with the proper crimper. And we got to grind the nut down. So I ended up, I needed a little bit smaller nut. So to keep from destroying nuts, I just ground down the one that I had, put it in the box, and just kept squeezing it. And there we have it. Slide this up, keep shrink it, and we should be good to go. There's one piece of my nut. So, not the prettiest in the world, but you got to get us through a pinch.